very first client is in this room. And the person that got this client is Amy. Where's Amy? Amy and Dixie and I, we all get together, and Dixie couldn't be here, but Dixie is a friend of ours, and we called up Bob Argo and said, I want you to come to a seminar on Lane Avenue. And I met Bob, and I spilled all my stuff on the floor. And I didn't know who you were. You were so kind, you picked it up, and we're walking in. I'm like, so who are you? And that's how we met. And Bob, you were one of your first clients, and Rachel is now the new generation CEO that we get to work with, and we're working with her today. And I want to thank you guys for coming. It's very important. So thank you guys. Appreciate it.
One.